Well, here's a man who's been called one of the best pure strikers in all of WWE.
It's a statement it's hard to argue with. We are looking at one of NXT's most successful competitors ever.
The following contest is a 2 out of 3 falls match. Making his way to the ring from Vancouver, British Columbia, weighing in at 200 pounds, Kyle O'Reilly.
Well, here's a man who's held the NXT Tag Titles for nearly 700 days and even won the Dusty Rhodes Tag Team Classic.
Cole, this is a man who's also held top singles titles all over the independent scene and has skills to continue that here in WWE.
Amazing grappling and striking skills, supremely competent.
O'Reilly's already backed it up and continues to do so. The brighter the lights, the harder the strikes for Kyle O'Reilly.
Well, this multi-platinum recording artist about to compete in the ring.
And his opponent from Houston, Texas, weighing in at 174 pounds, Machine Gun Kelly!
We've seen MGK around these parts quite a few times. It's awesome to see him back.
My favorite MGK appearance was when Kevin Owens powerbombed him off the stage.
Hey, don't remind us of that, Corey.
Such an accomplished musician, provided the theme song to WrestleMania and SummerSlam in the past.
Performed that tribute to the troops in 2017. Performed John Cena's entrance theme at WrestleMania 28.
Are we going to talk about the time that Kevin Owens powerbombed him
Can you
off?
stop bringing that up?
Here we go in this best-of-3 falls match. Really a test of the superstar's stamina and energy.
It's also a test of their creativity. Doing the same thing twice might be a detriment to you. You need a deep arsenal to earn 2 falls in a match.
God, that hurts. Ouch. O'Reilly finds his target with that one. And here's a cover.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
Just stomping every single part of his body.
And MGK had it scouted.
There's not much room out there.
Are you kidding me? Off the apron to the floor.
Elbow drop, big time.
I have to say, there is some validity to losing the first fall via disqualification here. Sure, you're down 1-0, but if you really pummel your opponent with a chair early on, they're going to be feeling that for the rest of the match, making it much easier for you to get the next 2 falls.
What a role model you are, Corey. The damage he's taking is starting to pile up. Oh, that'll give you whiplash. Oh, foot just stomping down.
What is this superstar going to do now?
Fire the triangle's in, it's in.
Oh, this is terrible. This is bad. He's got it locked in. It's locked in.
Now, triangle locked in. Uh-oh, no. It's one way to break it. Powerless position to be in right now. Oh, man, taking it to the trachea.
nasty right hand.
It's a go to the floor.
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
Ooh, what a slap.
Oh, here we go. Kelly showing his instinct.
He finds a counter for Kelly.
He just barely dodges. Re-enters under the ropes.
He leaves the ring, and there's no countouts in this one.
Russian leg sweep.
Back into the ring.
He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone.
Makes him pay with a counter.
Tagged with a punch.
An arm wrench. DDT. Now he's been put on the defensive. Elbow drop on target.
Elbow drop. The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Setting it up. Brain buster. Two. Kick out just in time.
You have to think this battle is starting to weigh down on him.
Rerilly has him in the guillotine.
They're fading fast.
Oh no, this is not where he wants to be.
Yeah, but can he roll on his body? Can he roll? Can he roll here and counter this?
Fight it, fight it.
And he may have felt his grip slipping, so he releases the hold.
Still was able to produce some considerable damage though.
Making that shoulder a priority.
Into the cover.
One, two.
He starts it off with an early fall.
He's heading back to the ring.
Bullseye with the drop kick.
Up across the shoulders.
Death Valley driver. And then a smack to the face.
Might be looking for the roller coaster crucifix powerbomb. Seems to be the case. Up and nails it.
MGK dropped the final beat on this one.
Hangs on by a thread.
Where in the world is he getting this from?
Beating heart will not be stopped.
That was the home run shot that got robbed at the fence. Elbow drop.
To the arm.
A lot of momentum now on Kelly's side.
Can O'Reilly recover from this adversity? Desperate attempt here to get back on his feet. Take off.
Diving forearm smash.
He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him.
O'Reilly was ready there. A running knee left. And a kick.
Oh, vicious body shot. Shot to the midsection connects.
And stomping away in the corner.
Just ruthless.
Here he goes for the win. 1, 2. Oh, somehow managed to keep this match going.
This is where desperation becomes a factor. Time to pull out all... This superstar turning things around.
Starting to roll. Here comes the momentum shift. You feel it changing here.
Boom.
Kyle looks like a sitting duck right now. Spinning around, spinning around. Powerbomb.
Kyle's in serious danger.
2. And he's still in the game.
No telling how much surviving that will cost, though.
I don't know how someone kicks out of that. I don't know how you can still be standing.
That was the best weapon in the arsenal, but it wasn't enough to produce an end result.
This deep into a match is where trouble rises, where injuries may occur. occur. You've got to think long-term and consider your future fights.
And I guarantee you that throwing in the towel is the furthest thing these superstars are thinking about.
Shoulders down.
1, 2.
Oh my, still alive.
I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder up.
Kelly able to adapt. This is a look at a roller coaster. Crucifix, and a power bomb.
One more time throwing the heavy artillery.
He has scored a fall late in the match.
The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side. Lighten up the chest, and now straight to the knee.
Counter, and now there's an opening.
Ooh, stinging kick.
Kick lands. Uh-oh, pump handle applied. What's coming next?
Nelson driver. Here he goes for the win.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, able to survive and pull through.
Here is your winner, Kyle O'Reilly.
I can't imagine being able to celebrate, let alone stand, after a match like that.
Talk about resilience. Talk about endurance.
Really, talk about stubbornness. It certainly paid off here tonight, but who knows if that'll be the case next time around.